How to redeem your Domino's gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can redeem your Domino's gift card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem our Domino's gift card, first of all just open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, in the URL address bar you just need to go to dominos.co.in. now this in depends upon the region that you're living in as well, and /gift-vouchers. so you have to go to dominos.co.in /gift-vouchers. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Now over here you can go ahead and redeem a gift card, but if you look at the very top you have this little button that says gift card on the menu bar. So you just have to go ahead and then tap on that little button which you see. Once you tap on that gift card option over here on the next specific page, you have to simply enter your gift card number, such as your gift card number as well, your card pin if there is, as well as a mobile number. Then you have to verify the robot I'm not a captcha, then get the OTP first of all to your mobile number, verify the OTP on the next page, and the gift card balance will be applied to your Domino's account. Once you apply the balance, now you can go ahead and then order some food based on those balances as well. And that's all it takes to redeem your Domino's gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.